Good evening to everyone. Here I am going to present one of the important topics in English grammar, that is adjectives and types of adjectives. Before I begin the lesson, I have an earnest request to all of you to watch the video till the end, because grammar is an important thing which you need to understand completely. So, let us begin our lesson, adjectives and types of adjectives. First of all, let us try to know what adjectives are. The definition of adjectives can be: adjectives are words that describe or tell something about a noun or pronoun. Let us see the examples. A rose is a beautiful flower. Ravi is polite. He is also obedient. In the first sentence, flower is noun and the word beautiful is telling something about the noun flower. As per the definition of adjectives, we know an adjective is a word which tells something about a noun. So, here the word beautiful is an adjective which is describing the noun flower. In the second example, Ravi is polite. The word Ravi is another noun standing for a person, and polite is the word which is telling something about Ravi, the noun. So, polite, in this sentence, polite is the adjective which is telling something about the noun Ravi. In the third sentence, he is also obedient. Here the word he is a pronoun. Here the word is he. He is a pronoun. He is also obedient, and the word obedient is telling something about the pronoun he. So, according to the definition of adjectives, we know adjectives are the words which tell something about a noun or a pronoun. In the third sentence, he is a pronoun and the word obedient is an adjective which is telling something about the pronoun he. So, dear students, through these three sentences, it is clear that the adjectives are words. In these three sentences, the adjectives are beautiful, polite and obedient. These three adjectives are speaking something about the nouns flower and Ravi and about the pronoun he. Okay. I hope all of you understand the definition of adjectives and you have some idea what adjectives are. Now, we have different types of adjectives. Here I have given 6 different types of adjectives: adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives and interrogative adjectives. Let us proceed to learn one by one all the different types of adjectives. First, we have adjectives of quality. Let us see the definition. Adjectives of quality tell some qualities of nouns and pronouns. I repeat, adjectives of quality tell some qualities of nouns or pronouns. They answer the question what kind of. You must notice what kind of. Let us see the examples. In the first sentence, I helped an old lady to cross the high road. Second sentence is Akbar was a great king. And the third sentence is Pakhi has a melodious voice. Let us notice the nouns in these three sentences. Here the nouns are lady, which is described by the word old. So in this sentence, the word old is an adjective of quality because the word old is telling some quality of the lady. What kind of lady? It is an old lady. In the second sentence, the noun is king and the adjective of quality is great, which is telling some quality of the noun king. What kind of king? It is a great king. So, the word great is an adjective of quality. Similarly, in the third sentence, the noun voice is described by the adjective of quality melodious. Ask the question, what kind of, with the noun, what kind of voice? It is a melodious voice. So, dear, you can see in these three sentences the adjectives old, great and melodious are three adjectives of quality which tell some qualities of the nouns lady, king and voice. Good. Let us proceed with the next type of adjectives, that is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Let us see the definition. Adjectives of quantity tell us how much of something there is. How much? Notice the words how much. Let us proceed. They are used, the adjectives of quantity are used with uncountable nouns. Let us see the examples. There are three sentences. The first one is there is little salt in the jar. Second sentence is there is not enough food for all. And the third sentence is we should cook some rice for us. Let us see one by one. In the first sentence, salt is the noun which is described by the adjective little. So, here the word little is an adjective of quantity which tells how much salt is there in the jar. You ask the question how much salt is there in the jar? There is little salt in the jar. Come to the second sentence. In the second sentence, the noun is food which is described by the adjective of quantity enough. Ask the question again, how much food? The answer is enough food. And in the third sentence, the noun is rice which is described by another adjective of quality some. Ask the question, how much rice? And the answer is some rice. So, in these three sentences, the adjectives little, enough and some are adjectives of quantity which tell how much thing is there. Next, we have the adjectives of number. Let us see the definition. Adjectives of number tell us how many nouns or pronouns there are. Remember the words how many nouns or pronouns are there. They also tell us about the position of a noun in a series. I must explain. Let us see in the example. The first sentence is there are many roses in the garden. You must ask the question how many to the nouns. In the first sentence, the noun is roses and ask the question how many roses? The answer is many. So, the adjective many is an adjective of number. Next, in the second sentence, the noun is plants. Plants. And ask the question again, how many plants? You have the answer 10 plants. So, the adjective 10 is an adjective of number in this sentence. Let us proceed with the third sentence. The third sentence is the last plant is planted by me. Here the noun is plant, the last plant. Remember the second part of the definition. They also tell us about the position of a noun in a series. They also tell us about the position of a noun in a series. In the third sentence, plant, which plant? Which one in which position of the plant in the series? There are 10 plants. Remember, 10 plants are there, 10 plants are planted. There are 10 plants. So, in a series, in a line, there are many. And which one? Last one. Last, the adjective of number last is indicating the position of the noun plant. Which plant, which position of the series the plant is? Last one. Similarly, in the fourth sentence, the first one is taken care by my sister. The first one is taken care by my sister. So, here the noun is one. Here the noun is one, standing for the first plant, first rose plant, and the adjective first is also telling the position, also indicating the position of the plant. Which one? The first one. So, the adjective first and the adjective last are indicating the position of the plants in a series. So, first two adjectives many and 10 are telling the number, how many plants, how many nouns are there, and in the last two sentences the adjectives last and first, these two adjectives are showing the position of the nouns in a series. So, you understand the adjectives of number, they show the number of nouns or pronouns, or they show the position of nouns and pronouns in a series. Okay, let us proceed. Here we have demonstrative adjectives. Let's see the definition. The definition of demonstrative adjectives can be: demonstrative adjectives point to specific nouns. These are the demonstrative nouns are 4 words: this, that, these, and those. These 4 words are used as demonstrative adjectives. Let us see the examples. First sentence is I like this flower. The second sentence is I do not like that animal. The third sentence is these flowers in my hand are beautiful. And the fourth sentence is those flowers in the shop are not fresh. Let us try to understand the demonstrative adjectives through the sentences. In the first sentence, the noun is flower, flower, and the demonstrative adjective is this. Which flower? This flower. The word, the adjective this is pointing some specific noun, not any other flower. This flower, I like this flower, not any other flower, some particular noun. Similarly, in the second sentence, the noun is animal. Here, the noun is described by the demonstrative adjective that. Here, the adjective also is specific. Now, it is describing, it is telling something about some specific animal. I do not like that animal, not any other animal, that animal. In the third sentence, the noun is flowers. Which flowers? These flowers in my hand are beautiful, not any other flowers. The specific flowers which are in my hand, these flowers in my hand are beautiful. And in the fourth sentence, the noun is again flowers. But which flowers? Those flowers in the shop are not fresh, not any other flowers. Those particular specific flowers, those flowers only which are in the shop are not fresh. So, my dear, you see the 4 demonstrative words. which are used as adjectives. This, that, these, and those, they are used as adjectives and they are showing some specific nouns. So, therefore, these four words are demonstrative adjectives. I end the lesson here. I hope all of you must have got some idea about adjectives and kinds of adjectives. By now, those who have seen the lesson, those who have seen the video for the first time may not have understood completely. So, I have a request to you, please watch the video again and again, once, twice, thrice, till you understand everything completely. Grammar, you must not understand the halfway. Halfway of learning English grammar is a dangerous thing. So, my dear students, I thank all of you for watching the video. If you like the video, please watch and let your friends watch the video. Bye bye. Thank you, all of you.